Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can back up Tonkeeper wallet recovery phrase. So let's jump right in. First, launch the Tonkeeper app on your smartphone or tablet. Once the app opens, look for the settings icon, which is located in the top right corner of the screen, and tap on it to open the settings menu. From the list of options, select Backup. This will take you to the backup options for your wallet. Next, choose Backup Manually to start the backup process. A prompt will appear. Tap Continue to proceed. For security purposes, you'll be asked to enter your wallet passcode. Go ahead and input your passcode to continue. You'll now see your recovery phrase, which consists of a series of words displayed in a specific order. Carefully write down each word exactly as shown, maintaining the correct sequence. This phrase is the key to accessing your wallet if you ever lose access to your device, so it's very important to store it in a safe, private, and secure location, away from prying eyes. For added security, you may optionally take a screenshot of the recovery phrase, but be cautious. Only do this if you're sure your device is secure and the screenshot won't be automatically backed up to cloud storage. After you've noted the recovery phrase, you'll be asked to re-enter it to confirm that you've backed it up correctly. Input the words in the correct order as prompted on the screen. Once completed, tap Done. Your recovery phrase has now been successfully backed up.